Super deal alert from softwaretrailers.com. We are excited to share Cratoflow lifetime deal. Are you tired of keeping your company's financial health up to date on a regular basis? Do you find it difficult to keep your monthly bookkeeping organized? If you are looking for a way to keep your finances up to date without hiring a bookkeeper, then you should try Cratoflow. For only $69, you can have lifetime access to Cratoflow. Cratoflow is a platform for automated bookkeeping that can track your business finances and provide you with a real-time picture of your company's financial health. Cratoflow's Cratobot feature assists you in getting your accounts in order by systematically categorizing each transaction and assigning it an account general ledger code. You can then instantly transfer each entry into QuickBooks Online to account for all of your transactions, incoming payouts, and expenses. Best of all, the Workflows interface and drag-and-drop features make correcting accounting discrepancies a breeze without the need for different applications. Additionally, Cratoflow's Cratomatch function connects your bank accounts and credit cards to automatically classify deposits and withdrawals and reconcile payment entries to invoices. You will also be able to spot and flag suspicious activity, such as repeated transactions, making it simple to keep any fraudulent activity off your books. With Cratoflow, you can also create automated billing to make sure that you always send accurate invoices on time, rather than having payments held up due to late submissions. It also automatically tracks sales and expenses for real-time cash flow projections, making it an ideal accounting service for small businesses that need to know exactly where their finances stand. Cratoflow makes it easy for you to keep up to date with current transactions, automate billing, and get a concise overview of your company's financial health. Get Cratoflow's lifetime deal for only $69. If you like what you hear about Cratoflow, check out more details in the description below. Check out other current software lifetime deals available on the right side of your screen. You will probably find a software solution that's right for you. Hit that like button and subscribe to get the latest software deals at discounted prices. Thanks for watching. See you next time.